In 2020, because of the pandemic, working from home has become more important than ever before. Now, in 2021, 90% of people work from home in their living rooms or bedrooms. And here's me, a student, graphic designer, and video editor. And this is my setup. Hey, what is up guys, Edwin is here and welcome in the first English video on this channel. Today I wanna show you my whole setup which I use to create content, study and work. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel like this, using this red button under this video. And if you are new here, hi, I'm Edwin, I'm 18-year-old IT student from Poland and welcome on my channel. Okay, so let's jump into my setup. The base of it is 10-year-old wooden desk from IKEA with white painted tabletop, which is super hard and heavy. As my main screen I use LG Cinema 3D TV DM2780D, which is really good for video editing because it's 27 inches and with good color reproduction. On the left side of my setup I have my Xbox 360, which I use to watch YouTube and charge my phone headphones on something like this. On the right side I have my laptop from HP with Intel Core i3 6100U, 8 gigs of RAM and integrated GPU. As my webcam I use AverMedia Live Streamer Cam 313. For speaker I use JBL Flip Essential connected to my laptop via mini jack or Bluetooth. When I don't use my speaker I use my old Sony headphones, which aren't so good but they are so light and comfortable, of course with mini jack. But I want to have some wireless headphones, so I bought the BTH 101. So yeah, they're pretty nice.
Nice.
As my mouse I use Hiker gaming mouse, and as my keyboard I use Rebeltech Discovery, which is really nice full metal keyboard. When I'm studying I use my IKEA Forza lamp to illuminate my books or illuminate my keyboard. Okay, so now chair. I don't know what it is, I hate it, but I don't have money for something better. And the last but not least is my USB microphone Genesis Radium 400, which I'm using currently to record the voiceover. Okay guys, so that's all for today. If you enjoyed my channel, please subscribe and share this video to your friends. Also, you can go to my social media like Instagram or Twitter, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.